Don't talk. Alright, so we're given the two equations 3x minus 4y equal 15 and 5x minus 2y equal 11. So I'm going to call the first equation equation 1, and then I'm going to call the next one equation 2. Now the graphical method it's a little easier than the other method, but the way that I use to solve it is that I substitute values for x into the equation, right? Now, it means that I'm going to use equation 1 first. 3x minus 4y is equal to 15. I'm going to substitute x values into it. So I'm going to substitute some x values and I'll know what is the y value that comes with it. So I'm going to use -1, 0, 1, and 2, right? Those are my x values. So that I'm going to put everywhere that I see x in the equation, I'm going to put one value at a time, and it would give me the corresponding y values. So I'm going to first use x is equal to -1. This same -1 here, x is equal to -1. So everywhere I see x, I'm going to put -1, right? And it will tell me what the y value will be. So 3 by -1 would give me -3 minus 4y is equal to 15. Therefore, I'm going to take this here and carry it over the next side, right? Transpose. So when it's going over the equal sign, we change the sign. So this becomes -4y is equal to 15 plus 3. Because the 3 was added here when I carry it over. It was subtracted here rather. When I carry it over the equal sign, I add it. So -4y would be equal to 18. Y would therefore be equal to 18. This 4 is being multiplied here. When I take it over the sign, I divide it. So y would be equal to 4, 4, 16. That's -2 remainder over 4, right? Or y is equal to -4.5. Right? So when x is -1, y is -4.5. Now let's find out what is the value of y when x is equal to 0. Right? I'm substituting 0 now. So it would be 3 by 0 minus 4y equal 15. Of course, anything by 0 is 0 minus 4y equal 15, right? 4y would equal to 15 over -4, which would be 4 3s 12, right? That's -3 and 3 over 4. So when x is 0, y would be -3.25. Right? So, and we do the same thing for 1 and the same thing for 2. That's for the first equation we just do that for, right? Now we do the same thing for equation 2, and then we plot our graphs. So, allow me to do it for equation 2. I'll show you the values and then I'll plot my graph and show you. So give me a minute.